One of the reasons why you're not profitable or why you're not making money in trading is because you're not trading Forex the right time, which is why in today's video, I'm going to show you the best time to trade Forex in Nigeria. I'm not just going to show you the best time, I'm going to show you the best Forex pairs to trade at these times. The reasons why we trade Forex at these specific times of the day. So without any further ado, let's start. So guys, looking at my screen right now, best time to trade Forex in Nigeria. All right. Now, if you are not in Nigeria, you can always convert this particular time to your country's time. If you are in Ghana, you are in US, UK, Canada, just convert Nigerian time to your country's time. It's the same thing everywhere. It's the same thing all over the world, right? Just convert the time to your local country's time. So in trading, in Forex trading, we have 4 trading sessions, okay, which are the London session, the New York session, the Asian session, and Sydney session, right? So these are the 4 trading sessions we have in trading. And for the London session opens from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay, and during this London session, the pairs that you can trade during this particular period are Euro USD, the GBP USD, the GBP JPY, the GBP CAD, the Euro JPY. Basically, any pair that has Euro and the GBP, that's the pound, that is the pairs that you need to be trading during the London session, right? Now, the New York session opens from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Nigerian time. And the pairs to trade during this period are the Euro USD, the USD JPY, the GBP USD, the USD CAD, and XAU USD, which is the gold. Basically, during this New York session, the pairs that you can trade this period are pairs that has USD, that is the United States dollar. Okay, as you can see, this has USD, the JPY has USD. Any pair that has USD on it, that is what you're going to trade during this particular session. Okay, and the Asian and Sydney session, this happens from 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. Nigerian time. So this particular time is actually in the midnight, and because of that, the market is usually very low. There is no volatility. The market does not move fast. The market is just slow during this particular time. Okay, so if you really want to experience volatility, you really want markets to give you what you want, you need to be trading during the London session and the New York session. Now, I'm going to head over to the Forex chart and show you why we actually do this, okay? Now, the overall best trading time is the overlap of London session and New York session, which is from 1 p.m. Nigerian time to 5 p.m. Nigerian time. This particular time, the market is very volatile. There is high volatility in the market, and this is actually the best time you need to be trading. Now, let me go back and show you. As you can see, now London session, which is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. New York session opens from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. During this particular period of 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., which is when London session and New York session are open, this is when the market is most volatile. The market moves rapidly this particular session, and that is the best time if you want to participate in Forex. That is the best time to trade. Now, I'm going to tell you why once I head over to my Forex chart, right? Now, this Sydney session, the pairs that you can trade during this Sydney session or Asian session are the AUD pairs, that's the Australian dollar, the JPY pairs, which is the Japanese yen, CHF and JPY, and New Zealand dollars, right? These are the pairs you can trade during this Asian and Sydney session, but I advise traders to avoid it because the market is not volatile during these particular times. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys trade chart example. We're going to head over to my chart, and I'm going to show you the reason why we pick this time, the reason why we trade this particular time. So guys, heading over to my Forex chart, this is the real Forex chart, right? Now, this particular red area represents my Asian and Sydney session, and this ash area represents London and New York session. Okay, now if you pay attention closely to what is happening, you notice that during my Sydney session, the market was just moving up and down. The market, there's no volume, there's no volatility in the market, which is why the movement was slow. It was just going down, up. Now, if you pay attention to the time is actually below here. If you pay attention to the time, just look at that down area. You look at that down area. Look at that area they wrote Friday, 13th March 2026. You can see 8 a.m. Nigerian time. That was when the London session opened, and this is GBP USD, right? Now you see what happened. The market chose a definite direction. The market chose one particular direction and started selling down. Okay, unlike during the Asian and Sydney session, imagine that someone that sold from here, the market went up and took that person out here before selling. Now if you pay attention to this area also, this was during the night also. During the Asian and Sydney session, market was just consolidating, and the next day, which is this is from London to New York session, the market was just going up, right? In whatever you do, don't trade the Asian and Sydney session. It's one of the slowest market in the world. Like, it's very slow, there is no volume. Focus more on New York and London session. Pay attention to the movement here. You notice that the London and New York session areas, you see that the market choose one direction and just move. But during the Asian session, the market was just consolidating, going sideways. As you can see here also, the market was consolidating, going sideways. All right, you can go to your Forex chart and check these things out. Right now, while you're checking it out, I just want you to focus on this down area. This down area is where the time is. If you put your cursor here, you're going to see when this particular market opened, which is from 8 a.m. here. You notice what happened. The market came down a little bit and started trending upward. Now you can see at night, see what happened during the day, which is the London session and New York session. Look at what happened. So this is very simple. Obviously you have already seen it in the chart. Now before I end this particular video, I want to say something very important, right? Now I've already shown you how the Forex chart moves, the best time to trade Forex, and I've already proved it on the chart. Now what remains is that, do you have a strategy, a proven strategy that you will use to be making money in the Forex trading market? Because one thing is identifying the best time to trade. The next thing is knowing or having a profitable strategy, a working strategy that you can use and be making money, which is why I have created an advanced trading masterclass course that you're going to use and you're going to apply it to be trading this particular market and be making money in Forex trade. And also I have a private trading class. So if you're really serious about changing your trading career, you can have one-on-one class with me, right? I'm going to leave the link on the bio. Just chat me up, use that particular link, send me a message on Telegram to make an inquiry, and I'm going to answer you. Now at the end of this video, make sure to join my free Telegram group where I share trading updates and trade signal, right? The link is also on the description of this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this particular video, okay, so that you guys will motivate me to do more or create more of this particular type of videos. So guys, peace out.